In today's video, I will be demonstrating about pre-poo or pre-pooing. Hi guys, welcome to New Growth Naturals Hub. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Today I'm using the Suntana brand to pre-poo Samantha's hair. It's a blend of penetrating oils. What is pre-pooing? Pre-pooing is the process of applying treatment to your hair before actual shampooing. The treatment provides your hair with a protective layer. This is helpful before shampooing. Shampoo can strip your hair of moisture. Pre-pooing includes adds extra moisture to dry hair.
Oh yes, Gary, and also here's a tip to consider when choosing a pre-poo. You need a penetrating product or a penetrating oils for it to be effective. And also here are some popular pre-poos that people use: olive oil, coconut oil, homemade blends like and store-bought treatments and masks, honey, yogurt, bananas, and such like. So in order for pre-poo to be effective, you need to do it at least 30 minutes before shampooing or overnight, if you will. If you're using oils like olive oil, you definitely need to use it overnight as opposed to coconut oil. While coconut oil will penetrate the hair shaft easily, olive oil take a longer time to go into your hair cuticle. So yay, pre-poo.
What is that on your head?
Oh, I'm pre-pooing my hair, so I have a plastic cap over it.
You gonna wash your hair?
Gonna wash my hair. But it's important to pre-poo before you wash your hair. You know why?
Yeah.
When you pre-poo your hair, basically you saturate your hair with penetrating oils, and those oils protect your hair from over stripping with your shampoo. Even if we're using a sulfate-free shampoo. You hear somebody? Okay, continue.
What is that? That's shampoo?
Yeah, that's shampoo, baby.
Oh. Okay.
Alright. Let's get into it.
So I've been pre-pooing for more than half an
You're
hour.
going to pre-poo your hair now.
It's already pre-pooed, baby. Been pre-pooing for more than half an hour.
We're going to wash it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But before I wash it, Gary's gonna put some scalp prep to clean my scalp. And then I'm gonna wash it off.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need this?
So,
No, baby.
Samantha.
Mm-hmm.
So is it important to pre-poo every time before you wash?
Especially for persons with really dry hair, even if they're using a sulfate-free shampoo, it's really important to pre-poo.
So what if they condition the hair?
Alright, so pre-poo is not the same thing as conditioning the hair. So even though you wash your hair, it's strip away from moisture, you use condition. The conditioner won't replace all of those nutrients that your hair washed off. So when you pre-poo your hair, it's always best to use oils. Other persons tend to use different things like aloe vera gel and different stuff to pre-poo. It's always best to use oils that penetrate the hair shaft. That way it will, nourish the hair, fools the hair, and it's best not to use like moisturizer hair before you use the oil, because that way the oil is going to act more of a sealant instead of penetrating the strands.
Okay.
In other words, so if I wet my hair and then put the oils on it, that oil is going to act as a
So
sealant.
it's in the moisture.
So the moisture is going to already penetrate my strands, fill up the strand, and then the oil is just going to coat it. You don't want the oil to only coat the strand, you want it to penetrate it. So when you wash your hair, you don't lose a lot of the natural nutrients that your hair is supposed to have.
So in so saying that then pre-poo
And
create
you
like a
grab
protective
your
layer over the hair, so
Yeah.
sealing the oils in.
Especially if you have dry hair issues.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, so
And if you wash your hair often, like if you wash your hair, you don't have to pre-poo all the time, but most of the time, like if a person that wash their hair like once per week or twice for the month or so on, especially if they have low porosity hair or high porosity hair, it doesn't matter. Pre-pooing is important once you have dry hair issues.
okay.
If that makes sense. That's why I pre-poo my hair, because I wash it so often.
Mommy, why does big pre-poo?
You know there's what?
Big and short pre-poo.
Those are shampoos, baby.
Shampoo?
Yeah.
Why does your and big shampoos?
Because bigger ones
They
for...
come in different sizes.
Yeah, they come in different sizes.
It's like when you're small, big, biggest.
And me! Me are small.
Alright, so alright, so I'm gonna put on the scalp at this moment.
Ah, just a few drops, Gary. That's really cold.
Alright. You wanna help me?
Yeah.
Don't squeeze it, just hold it and just drop it. That's all.
Oh, it's running down.
Like a river.
Just a few drops. It's really concentrated. This is just to clean my scalp.
It's holding it for you.
Help to melt down the sebum.
Hold
It's just a part of my alopecia treatment that I'm doing. That's cold.
I love cold.
I don't like cold on my scalp.
Like oh, yummy cold.
You need to go wash
Ah!
it. Right, so mango butter is really good because of the nutrients that it provides for the hair, plus the fact that it penetrates the strands and, protect the hair. Here, where you dance, Come wash up my hair now. Please, 15 minutes must gone already. Ooh, no cold water. Ooh, too hot. Ooh, that's burn. I feel that in my skull.
Oh my dear.
You like pink?
2 stars.
Yeah.
Just
I'm like 10.
So I like 10. I like 100.
100. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless. Bye bye.